How to remove friends in Temu. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove your friends. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on a profile icon. Now here on the right, you can see the settings option. Tap on settings. So here in your settings interface, here on the top, you'll be able to see the option called account security. Tap on it. So this is the section where it shows the linked ones with Facebook. So Temu doesn't allow other friends to see what you have ordered or how you have ordered. So there is no linkage or there is no friends option in Temu. You can rather just link it with Google and Facebook in order to log in easily, but there is no such friends option. So this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.